Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report. Today, Nifty has hit another all-time high. Nobody could believe this rally. In fact, among all the analysts, I was the most bullish person. Even I sounded very cautiously 1 or 2 days before. And that is why the people always say, bull market is born out of pessimism, grow out of skepticism, mature out of optimism, and die out of euphoria. If you look at this statement, where are we now? Born out of pessimism, very clear. Coronavirus, the world was coming to an end and Nifty tested 7,500. That is when the bull market is born. And now it is growing because of skepticism. How many analysts are still bullish? And everyone is saying market will correct, market will fall, economy is very bad, coronavirus still there, why the market is going? And many people also told me that, sir, this rally is because of MSCI rebalancing. And let me tell you, it is actually not. If MSCI rebalancing was the issue, then in the month of November, Nifty was up only 11%. If you think Nifty was up 11% only because of MSCI rebalancing, then in the same November month, US market S&P 500 was up 11%. Italy index was up by 26%. France was up by 21%. Japan was up 15%. Even the China was up by 7.5%. There were no MSCI reject in all those countries and still they performed even better than India. So now the market is moving higher because of global liquidity and corona vaccine hope. And particularly emerging markets are doing very well. That's because the US dollar index has broken even 91. When this rally is going to stop, nobody knows. But as long as the rally is there, we ride the rally. So that should be a trader's mentality. I'm going to show you a few things. Today we have hit fresh all-time high. Maybe you look at what I've written in my blog today morning. This was my today's blog and which I've written around 8 a.m. in the morning. And I did mention that if Reliance, HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank performs, we can expect one more leg of this rally. See, when the index was at 11,000, Reliance was at 2,400. Now the index is at 13,500. Reliance was below 2,000, more than 20% down. And in fact, for the last 2 weeks, Reliance has been underperforming. Then HDFC Bank. So RBI has put some restrictions on launching digital programs, and because of that, HDFC Bank has corrected. But always any bad news, markets correct, and HDFC Bank and HDFC always is time to buy. Even during the MSCI reject, the people said it was negative for HDFC. HDFC fell more than 100 rupees. But then within next 1 or 2 weeks, it has recovered the entire losses. So HDFC Bank came down, and that is why I said after 1 or 2 weeks, it may recover. And Kotak Bank, because the largest amount of MSCI rebalancing money came in Kotak Bank, so that's why Kotak Bank shot up from almost 1,300 to 1,900. So there was a good profit booking, so it was also down. But remember, HDFC Bank and Reliance alone contribute 25% of the Nifty. And these two stocks have been underperforming for the last few days. And despite that, the market has shot up to all-time high. And that is why I said, if these stocks start performing, what will happen? And today, exactly the same thing has happened. Today, Kotak Bank was up more than 2%, Reliance was up more than 1%, and HDFC Bank up 1%. Remember, in the month of February, when the Nifty hit all-time high 12,400, Bank Nifty was above 32,000. But now Nifty is more than 1000 point higher than February high, but Bank Nifty is still lower. HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank, these two banks alone contribute about 45 to 50% for Bank Nifty. And still Bank Nifty was up despite these two stocks not performing well for the last few days. And that is why I have taken a bullish view. You can see in my blog what I have written. I have sold 13,300 PE yesterday around at 15 rupees. Then I said, taking a bullish view, I sold Bank Nifty put options 29,000, 28,000, 27,000 monthly. Even in weekly options, I sold 29,500 PE. So I sold a lot of put options to capture this. And today, HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank recovered and the Bank Nifty has broken out. And now the Bank Nifty is hardly 3-4% away from all-time high. And I wish to tell you one more thing. Few days before, I put this tweet. Purely from risk reward perspective, going long at this point is not good. However, on any dip, I am looking to sell 13,000 PE. And you look at what this guy has responded, and I will buy that. When I said I will sell 13,000 put option, this guy said I will buy that put option. God save the option buyers. I'm not talking about the call option buyers, I'm talking about the put option buyers. And let us look at the FIA, DIA activity today. Today, another impressive figure. FIAs have bought for 3,564 crores and DIA sold about 2,500 crore. And this is month to date, FIAs have already pumped in 17,000 crores. That is excluding today's figure. So if you include today's figure, it's more than 20,000 crores. And if you look at the option chain, 13,500 PE, there's a huge addition of 30 lakh in open interest. 13,450, 16 lakhs. 13,400, 20 lakhs. So these three strike prices alone is about 66 lakh addition in the open interest. And look at the call option, 13,500 call option, 5 lakh unwinding, 13,400, 12 lakh unwinding. And even the people dare not to sell 13,600 call option. There the open interest addition was only 2 lakh. 13,650 is where the huge open interest addition, more than 10 lakh shares. So this shows that markets are in a firm bull grip, and tomorrow people are not expecting very big move. On the downside, probably 13,450, and the higher side about 13,700. So the rest of the things I will explain tomorrow morning in the blog, and thank you for watching my post market report. Thank you.